Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video we will discuss about Kashmir. We will know what is Kashmir issue and why it has not been resolved even after 50 years of dispute. But before we start, our request to you is to watch this video till end and share it as much as possible so more and more people can find out about Kashmir. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Kashmir is a flashpoint between India and Pakistan. Kashmir is one of the most beautiful lands on earth. It has Muslim majority. Pakistan claims that Kashmir is its part and India also claims that Kashmir is its part. This matter was taken to United Nations approximately 50 years ago, and a resolution was passed that there will be a referendum in Kashmir and people of Kashmir will decide that who they want to live with. Since then, no referendum has been taken place and its issue is left unresolved. India and Pakistan have fought many wars for Kashmir. Kashmir is the main cause of dispute between India and Pakistan, both equipped with atomic bombs and nuclear weapons. If this issue further escalates and they go into war, anyone can imagine what would the consequences be. Kashmir has two parts. One is with Pakistan, but they have their own government and policies. Pakistan facilitates them but do not interfere with their decisions. On the other hand, the other part is with India, and India occupied it by force. India sent its military armed forces in Kashmir and occupied it. Since then, people of Kashmir have been trying to get freedom and live on the peaceful land freely, but India takes this as terrorist activities and uses its forces to combat with the freedom fighters. Indian Prime Minister Hitler Modi abrogated the Article 370 of their constitution 1 year ago on 5th of August 2019. This article gave Kashmir a special status, and according to this article, Kashmir had its sovereignty and no one apart from Kashmiri people was allowed to live or buy properties in Kashmir. But Hitler Modi revoked this article and changed the status of Kashmir. India also imposed lockdown in Kashmir and sent about 9 million armed forces into the valley of Kashmir. Since then, the tensions are very high between Kashmiri people and Indian armed forces. Indian armed forces have shut down everything. Places of worship are closed, places of business, shops, hotels, etc. Everything is closed. People do not have health facilities. They are forced to stay at home. No education. They do not have any access to the media. No media teams are allowed to go into Kashmir. It has been full year since the Kashmir is in lockdown. During freedom, a lot of us have been in during pandemic, a lot of us have been in lockdown, so we can imagine what had Kashmiris been going through at this stage. They do not have proper food to eat, very slow and limited access to the internet. They are deprived of all basic necessities. Moreover, Indian army is torturing people. It kills or captures the young boys, rapes the girls, beats the elderly to death. But United Nations and all the international community is quiet and silent. They do not seem to resolve this issue. Hitler Modi is worse than the real Hitler. There are reports that he is planning to do a false flag operation in Kashmir and blame Pakistan and then start a war with Pakistan, because Hitler Modi has faced criticism after China entered into Ladakh, and the best way to divert its attention is to start a war against Pakistan. But international community must understand that both India and Pakistan are nuclear powers. If the war escalates and they use nuclear weapons, what would the consequences be? This earth won't be the same place. Atmosphere will change. It will affect everyone and generations to come will suffer from its destructions. We urge international community to intervene and resolve this issue before it gets very late. Please everyone, play your role for the freedom of Kashmiri people. Raise your voices, show your concern so we could save a nuclear war. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.